right, 2-1.
As soon as we bust up the camera.
What? Just forgot. 3-1.
Look, that's a great serve. Sorry. The sun got me. All right, serve it.
4-1.
Woo!
Running out of balls.
Yeah. Thanks. Thanks, Des. Rocking the Mets colors. It's unfortunate. 5-1. Oh no, that toss was terrible. So I just tossed it like way out from me.
Got more points out of bounds than serve.
You were right on with your 10-15.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right, what do we have? 5?
2-5.
2-5, 2-5.
Woo! Right on that line.
Sure, I'll get it.
Nice serve.
3-5, guys, 3-5, service, service. I was
One more step.
oh shit.
One more step. I literally did a full 360 and I was like, this is not going to the middle.
4-5, y'all. That's not bad. You got, ah, Michael!
Oh, Rosie, go!
God damn it, that was so easy. I was more worried about talking about the set. No, that was so stupid. I was trying to talk about the set instead of passing it.
It was a beautiful set.
No, I was going to talk about where the set was going to go.
Oh.
So stupid.
6-4.
6-4, yeah. Michael. You got it, you got it. You. Oh shit.
Gets it!
Great spot though.
I literally was like staring into the phone.
I'll steal the middle. I know. I just started out.
I was waiting for that dribble. Okay, well at least it wasn't a 50.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cute.
Outside.
Hi. God, I'm so hungry.
Oh, me too. All I had was a protein shake.
I didn't even have that.
Oh.
I had a Celsius
That's all you
and
need.
4 sips of water. 1-5. Nice up. Good.
Oh, you're there.
Oh my God. 3-5.
Woo!
That was in, right?
Yeah.
4-5. Over.
Outside.
Oh, that's over. Coming.
You got it. Way to cut it.
Terrible spot, man.
I just added the last second to cut it.
That was so good. That was so sharp.
5. I just wanted to hit it really hard.
It's like, how hard can I hit? 6-5.
10 in a row. Yeah.
I will say, when I hit it, it didn't go as far out.
Already all 6-5. Over you.
There you go. Action if you want it.
The man that I found at different care.
Oh, well, that's GSP.
I have no idea where he goes. I'll go on a friend.
6s.
Watch over, watch over.
Let's watch it.
All right, here we go.
Yeah, it was a little baby stop. Oh, that.
It smells like freshly baked twins right now.
I don't smell that at all. It's a good thing because I'm hungry right now. It'll make me even more hungry. Oh, no, you're there. You got it.
Seven, eight.
Yeah.
Service. Over.
Oh. All right, 9-7. Ball.
Literally ball on.
All right, 9-7.
Oh, jump serve.
Could be a sky ball. Can't jump serve to save my life. 27. Oh my bad. Switch. Hey, go. Switch.
Which? Oh, kind of
I tried to get you before you walked all the way to the ball.
Oh, it does smell good over here.
Yeah. other side.
You smell it now, though?
I smell like something fruity.
It smells like oatmeal raisins.
Oh, I see it now. Yeah.
That's the on the dot.
Smoke weed every day. Ito.
She knows her track.
Oh my god, watch out!
A little bit that way more, sorry.
You also didn't move.
I thought you were going to go behind.
I was gonna go around you, but it was actually towards the net, and I don't think I would have gotten through. So I had to go through you.
Trample over me.
I'm gonna shoulder check you the next time.
Got it.
That was a Hail Mary. Great serve. Yeah, fuck yeah.
Next time.
Next time.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, I can do it. Yeah. Oh, right now? Okay, so they give me like 5 minutes.
I never know when you're coming. I need to bring the net so you can tie the knot. Yeah. Can you send me a link where you got these? It keeps like the.
Oh my god, yeah.
I can't tell you how many times I've had to throw shit out because Sam got it. Now I just chuck myself in before I get to the so good. Oh no, right to the face. Right. Yeah.